You use the F-bombs on Zoom ever again with me. I don't care if you're at your house. I don't care if you're in Mackinac Island. I don't care if you're in Tuscaloosa, Alabama. I don't care if you're in Russia. I don't care if you're in Venezuela. You will come over here and you will serve 30 days. Do you fully and completely understand what I am telling you? I didn't ask you if you heard me. I asked you if you fully and completely understand me.
I do not.
Well, then you have a seat right over there, and maybe I'll put you in the lockup. Hang on.
He ain't say what I just think he just said, right? Am I seeing what I'm seeing? This is what they doing in Zoomcourt? They on there cussing? I remember when court didn't used to be in Zoom. Who want to go to court in person? Now you could tell that judge from looking at that clip. That judge done had it up to here with him. It's like he say anything else that's wrong to that judge, he ready to snap. Judge, the gangster, I can see it in his eyes. He like, you use that word one more time. You talk to me like that one more time. It's gonna be over. I'm gonna sit you down and you're gonna do some days. People out here are ruthless now. And you know how they always say one person can mess it up for somebody else. Don't nobody want to show up to court for real? Because people don't know how to act on Zoom court?
Fuck you! Fuck you, motherfucker!
Who said that?
I think that's Mr. Bogus, and I think he
Yeah, it's
found the
Mr.
unmute button.
Bogus. You motherfuckers gonna cut me off?
Oh,
Who do you think you are? Who do you think you are? I want to know what kind of a punk would do that. You are not going to swear on
Video
Zoom.
with you. I
You are
was just
not
on
going to.
video
I'll tell
with
you
you. I
what,
can't
Mr.
find you.
Bodges, you're going to come up here now. You're going to come up here in person. You talk to me like that, you'll be in lockup for 30 days. You want to act like a punk? I'm going to treat you like one. You get up to the courthouse now. You got it, Mr. Bogus, Mr. Tough Guy? You must have fought Muhammad Ali and beat him, huh, back in the day? Come on up. You're coming up, Mr. Bodges. You want to talk to me like that? You're going to end up in lockup, tough guy. You got it?
No, sir. No, sir.
Good. Good. He's
just
coming up
wanted
here. He doesn't come up,
I
I'm
just
defaulting
wanted
him. I'm
to
giving
do
you half an
this.
hour to get here. Shut him up. Half hour to get here, Bogus. We're not a bar. If we were going to talk like we were in a strip club, I'd bring the recorder to the strip club and my court officer to the strip club.
Stay home. I don't go.
Watch your mouth. Do not interrupt me.
Sir.
You use the F-bombs on Zoom ever again with me. I don't care if you're at your house. I don't care if you're in Mackinac Island. I don't care if you're in Tuscaloosa, Alabama. I don't care if you're in Russia. I don't care if you're in Venezuela. You will come over here and you will serve 30 days. Do you fully and completely understand what I am telling you? I didn't ask you if you heard me. I asked you if you fully and completely understand me.
I do not.
Well, then you have a seat right over there, and maybe I'll put you in the lockup. Hang on.
I don't know what was he thinking on this one. Like, what was the point of that? You just show up to Zoom court, cut your camera off like they ain't gonna notice you, and talk junk to the judge. And then one of your court members gave you up and said, I think that's Mr. Bogus. And then he made you come in. He said, you got 30 minutes to get up here. That judge was on tip. Like I was telling y'all, after watching that, I don't blame the judge. Like, here I go doing my job. And then somebody in a Zoom meeting without a profile picture, cussing at me, swearing at me, like I'm not gonna find out who he is. Like when you got pulled over and got your traffic ticket before you went to Zoomcourt, like they weren't gonna know who you were. It's just diabolical. The things that people just do, like that didn't make no sense. And then now you making it more difficult on yourself, and it could have been simple. You had to show up in court, and then when you get to court, you talking about no sir, no sir. What? What happened to your energy? Now you see the judge wasn't playing. When somebody take their glasses off, he's ready to go there with him. You know somebody ain't playing when they take their glasses off. He was like, I don't care what you heard. I ask you, do I make myself clear? He was ready. He made the judge upset. They talking about that you talking like you done fought Muhammad Ali back in the day, tough guy, huh? You got all those words to say. And then when you go to court, your energy just switch up. And then he like, if you don't think about what you said, I'm gonna lock you up. So what do y'all think about this situation? I didn't really understand it. Cause Zoom is for the people's convenience. And you trying to just make that difficult. You trying to make everybody else go to court. People don't want to go to court anyway for no traffic tickets. I remember when they used to make you go to court all the time for traffic tickets. And then Zoom is better because you don't have to go to court. You just got to be on a computer. And then there you go. Don't know how to act. Judge call you there when he took the glasses off and you ain't want no parts of him. Look at me instigating. No, I'm just talking. I know when that's going to happen, but at the end of the day, why go to jail over something like that? I don't get it. Was he looking for like a viral moment or something? I don't know. People do be looking for viral moments. And that wasn't the time and place for that. I done seen all types of court Zoom meetings. I done seen one where a guy was driving. The one that went real viral, everybody probably done seen this one. The guy was driving and he was going to court for suspended license and he was on Zoom driving. And he tried to play like he wasn't driving. I don't get it. There's people out here wilding out like that? I don't know. So let me know how y'all feel about this video. Like, I think he was out of pocket. Some people just button pushers. And then it's like, I just didn't get the switch up. Like, I want you to keep the same energy. Like, if you go to Zoom, that's like how I always feel when I say people like to hide behind a phone screen or a Zoom screen. In that case, it's like users with no profile pictures be having the most to say. But you don't know who they are. But this case, you knew who he was. Like they weren't gonna find out. And then his members just gave him up. And she gave him up with the quickness too. She did it with no hesitation. Like, you ain't about to mess it up for me. It was Mr. Bogus, whatever his name was. Bogus out here tripping. Judge was ready to make an example out of him. And I don't blame him. It's like he had a long day and you come in his court talking junk on Zoom. He make you show up to court and now you serve. How many times you gonna serve? Because the judge a gangster. He wasn't going for that. He's like, I ain't about to let you talk to me like that. If you ever use the F-bomb on me again, he was ready. So he had to say the right things, Mr. Bogus, because he was already on the edge. You say the wrong thing, you going to jail. Like you said. And if you ain't got time to think about what you said, I'll give you time to think about it while you in jail. I just don't get it. That's my take on this video. Let me know how y'all feel, and I'm going to see y'all on the next one. Peace.